Hey everyone, welcome back. Or if you're new, a big hello. Subscribe for more informative videos. Are you dreaming of more breathing room in your finances? Maybe you're saving for a down payment, planning a vacation, or just want to feel more in control of your money. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the power of a monthly budget plan, your roadmap to saving more and spending less. It might sound daunting, but trust me, it's simpler than you think, and the rewards are huge. Let's get started. Before building a budget, we need to know where your money is going right now. For the next month, or even just a few weeks, track everything you spend. And I mean everything. We're talking about the big stuff like rent, car payments, and credit card bills. But don't stop there. Track smaller expenses too. That daily latte, impulse buys, quick lunches, it all adds up. How to track it? You've got options. Some people love pen and paper, others prefer spreadsheets. But honestly, budgeting apps are where it's at. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and Personal Capital can link to your bank accounts and categorize transactions for you. Remember, the goal isn't to judge your spending habits, just to observe and gather data. This will be pure gold when we create your budget. You've tracked your spending and now have an overview of where your money's been going. Now it's time to categorize those expenses. Think of it like organizing your financial closet. Here's the breakdown. First, housing rent, mortgage, property taxes, insurance. Next, transportation, car payments, gas, public transport, maintenance. Then food, groceries, dining out, takeout. Utilities, electricity, gas, water, internet, phone bill. Debt payments, credit cards, student loans, personal loans. Savings, a priority, not an afterthought. Entertainment, movies, concerts, hobbies, gym memberships. Personal care, haircuts, toiletries. Those little things that make you look and feel your best. Miscellaneous, unexpected expenses. Forgotten subscriptions, anything else. Breaking down your spending into these categories gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Trust me, you might be surprised. This is where you start to identify areas to cut back and free up cash flow. It's all about seeing the big picture and making informed decisions. With this clarity, you can make adjustments that align with your financial goals. Let's move on to creating your budget. Create your budget. Time to take control. It's time to create your budget. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. You're taking control of your money instead of letting it control you. There are different budgeting methods out there, so find one that vibes with your style. One popular option is the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Another method is zero-based budgeting. With zero-based budgeting, every dollar of your income has a job. Assign it a purpose, whether it's for an expense, savings, or debt repayment. The goal is to have your income minus your outgo equal zero at the end of the month. Once you've chosen a method, start allocating amounts to each category. Be realistic. Don't try to drastically cut everything at once. Start small, prioritize your needs, then allocate funds for your wants while keeping your savings goals in mind. Let's move on to unlocking your savings potential. Save more, spend less, unlock your savings potential. Now that you've got your budget in place, it's time to get serious about saving money. The goal isn't to deprive yourself, it's to make smarter choices with your money. Take a good look at your wants category. Are there areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived? Maybe daily coffee shop visits, unused subscriptions, or frequent takeout meals. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Look at your needs. Can you find cheaper alternatives? Carpool, shop with a list, or look for better insurance rates? Be proactive. Can you negotiate recurring expenses? Sometimes you can lower your internet or phone bill just by asking. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking to your savings account every time you get paid. Think outside the box. Pack your lunch, brew coffee at home, explore free entertainment, and be mindful of impulse purchases. Every dollar you save is a dollar towards your goals. Let's move on to reviewing and adjusting your budget. Remember, it's all about making smarter choices and staying consistent. Review and adjust. Your budget is your roadmap. Budgets aren't meant to be set in stone. Life happens, your income might change, your expenses might change, and that's normal. Review and adjust your budget regularly, ideally once a month. During your budget check-in, track your actual spending against your planned budget. Are you overspending in any categories? Identify what's working and what's not. Maybe your initial allocations need tweaking, and that's fine. Your budget is your roadmap to financial success, but sometimes you need to adjust the route. Did you get a raise? Time to bump up those savings goals. Did an unexpected bill pop up? Adjust your budget accordingly. Be flexible and adaptable. Don't beat yourself up if you stray occasionally. Keep learning, keep adjusting, and keep your eyes on the prize: financial freedom and peace of mind. Creating a monthly budget plan is a powerful step towards achieving your financial goals and feeling more in control of your money. Remember, it's a journey, not a race. Start small, be consistent, and don't be afraid to adjust along the way. Take action today. Download a budgeting app, create a simple spreadsheet, or grab a pen and paper. Start tracking your spending and take that first step towards a brighter financial future. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.